Exciting animal shop. Good morning, sir. My name is Tiger, and I will be your guide today. May I help you find something? Certainly. Now let me show you around. Arf, arf. How would you like it? This dog with the big eyes is the most popular Hana. When he is happy, he flaps his tails and scatters flowers. But it's a bit hard to clean up. Huh? Oh, certainly. Now please look here next. How would you like it? She doesn't squeal, she doesn't make noise, and she doesn't act out. She's calm and relaxed. But she bites sometimes, so please be careful. Then she gets cranky if you don't walk her every day. Huh? Oh, certainly. Now please look here next. How would you like it? Very beautiful feathers, aren't they? They're very popular. Eh? Not friendly? It's true that she's always sleeping. Certainly. Now please look here next. Then how about him next to her here? It looks similar to the previous one, but look closely. See the more colorful feathers? It looks rounder and tastier than the other one. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I would also recommend two birds together though. Huh? Oh, certainly. Now please look here next. Oh my god. Hey you guys, you can just come out here. You're being rude to our guest. I'm sorry, sir. It seems they want to play with you. Please look at their eyes. They're staring at you. Huh? You don't need an animal bigger than you? By the way, what were you looking for today? Wow, then this cat would be perfect for you. She has shiny, pitch black fur that matches your pure white face. She has the same ears, the same tail, and the same purr as you. You two will be very good friends. Oh, I'm glad to hear that you like it. She looks great on you. Thank you very much for your visit today. We look forward to seeing you again.